Number 1. Meme screenshots. This channel has already gained over 52 million views. Assuming a $3 RPM, the ad revenue could be around $150,000 just from uploading funny memes and comment screenshots in compilation form. Now, you might think, but YouTube doesn't monetize screenshot channels. And yes, that's true if you just post screenshots without adding value. But if you include voiceovers, sound effects, transitions, and good editing, your video counts as original content and YouTube can monetize it. That's exactly what this channel is doing. There's another channel using a similar approach and getting millions of views too. But here's the tip. Don't copy anyone fully. Take the format and style, but make your content slightly different so your channel stands out. For example, this channel uploads screenshots from multiple social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Quora, Reddit, and Facebook. You could choose just one platform, like only Instagram comments or only Discord messages, and upload consistently in that niche. Narrowing down usually increases your chances of going viral. And here's an extra idea. You could create an AI character host for your channel. It gives your videos personality and branding while still keeping the editing simple. Number 2, then versus now. Check this channel's performance. Videos getting 3.3 million views, 3 million views, and 2.2 million views, with a total of around 15 million views so far. Assuming a $1 RPM because the videos are short, the ad revenue might be around $15,000. The channel focuses on then versus now videos of old, well-known memes. People are curious to see how their favorite memes or meme characters have changed over time. Here's the opportunity. This channel doesn't even use a voiceover. If you add a voiceover with storytelling and good editing, you could make your videos more engaging and stand out. Instead of exactly copying the same niche, you could also try, where are these legendary 80s actors now? Iconic American actors who are still alive. These topics tend to attract a US audience, which usually means a higher RPM. You can also make videos longer, 10, 15, or even 30 minutes, to increase revenue further. Number 3, film theories. This channel makes theory videos about one of the famous animated film series, The Lion King, and it has gained around 8.7 million views. Assuming a $3 RPM, the ad revenue could be estimated at around $26,000. The editing is simple. The main focus is writing a strong script. Now, this doesn't mean you should make videos only about The Lion King. You could create similar theory videos for other animated series like Kung Fu Panda, Shrek, or Toy Story. Here's an example from the original channel. They make videos about SpongeBob SquarePants, covering different episodes and getting consistent views. You could do the same with your favorite cartoon series, for example, The Simpsons or Tom and Jerry. Just make sure to do some research, see if any other YouTuber is already making videos on that cartoon, and check whether they get consistent views. If yes, it's a good sign that there's an audience waiting. So basically, you can pick a cartoon you like, do simple editing, write strong scripts, and create theory videos that people will enjoy. Number 4, stories with gameplay. This channel takes Reddit stories, reads them aloud, adds Minecraft gameplay in the background, and adds simple captions. So far, it has around 1 million total views across 60 videos. At first glance, 1 million views across 60 videos might not seem huge, but here's the thing. Most of the videos are over 2 hours long, which means the watch time is very high. That's why the RPM in this niche can reach $20 or more, even for smaller channels. For 1 million views, this channel could have earned around $20,000 from ads, potentially in just 2 months. The editing is simple. Gameplay footage plus voiceover plus captions. The main effort is finding good stories, and you can even use ChatGPT to help write or adapt them. So combining gameplay with storytelling is a proven strategy. Number 5, Photo to Video AI. This channel uses AI to turn old historical photos into short video compilations. It has gained around 3 million views. With a $1 RPM, the ad revenue might be around $3,000. The focus is on historical events and war photos, showing old moments in a new way. People love it because it's both educational and nostalgic. You can create these videos easily with free photo to video AI tools. Just search YouTube for tutorials and follow along. Here's a creative tip. Instead of historical photos, try using famous meme photos to create funny AI-generated video compilations. It's a similar format, but in a completely different niche. For example, I converted this famous meme photo into a video with an AI tool. See how cool it is? One important note, always include a disclaimer in your description or at the start of the video, like this video was created using AI tools. That keeps your channel safe and transparent. Number 6, ASMR toys unboxing. This is a really interesting niche. You've probably seen ASMR channels like ASMR Massage, ASMR Food, or ASMR Barber, but this one is unique. This channel makes toy unboxing videos in ASMR style, showing each toy one by one. So far, it has around 10 million views. Assuming a 0.5 RPM, since most viewers are kids, the ad revenue could be around $5,000. The videos are extremely simple. No face, no voice, minimal editing, just recording toys. Some people even buy iPhones uploads just to make ASMR unboxing videos, but you don't need that. You can use old toys from home. Here's an extra idea. Instead of unboxing, you could crush toys, like hydraulic press channels do, but using a simple hammer. Just make sure it's safe and the toys are your own. This niche is perfect if you're a beginner or don't want complex editing. Simple, easy, and effective. Number 7. English Learning Channel. This channel has gained around 1.2 million views. Assuming a $3 RPM, that might translate to around $3,600 in ad revenue. If you're from an English-speaking country, running this channel is easy. But even if you're not, you can still create content. English is one of the most widely spoken languages, and many people search for English learning content every day. That makes it an evergreen niche. Your videos can keep getting views for years. To create videos, all you need is ChatGPT and simple editing software like CapCut. You can ask ChatGPT to create a podcast-style conversation between two people, generate characters or scenes, use 11 Labs to make English voiceovers, add subtitles in CapCut. One key thing, you need to be consistent. Make at least 30 videos before worrying about views. Once you stay consistent, your channel will grow steadily. Number 8. Talking with AI. This channel made around 600,000 views with just 11 videos. The concept is simple. They ask ChatGPT funny or weird questions, record the answers, add some sound effects, and upload. It's easy to make, and people enjoy watching it. You can also try using other AI tools like Gemini AI or Grok AI. Here's a tip from me. You could create AI fights. For example, tell ChatGPT that Gemini AI said, "I am better than ChatGPT," and then show ChatGPT's response. This type of playful back and forth can make your videos go viral. This idea just came to my mind, and you can use your creativity to come up with even more. Always include a disclaimer like, "This content is for entertainment purposes only." This keeps your channel safe and policy compliant. Number 9. Showing data. This is a super interesting niche. This channel has gained around 122 million views. Assuming a $2 RPM, since the videos are only 2 to 3 minutes long, the ad revenue could be roughly $244,000. The concept is simple. Show interesting data with animated photos or graphs. The editing is easy. Just move images from left to right using 2 keyframes. There are lots of channels making this type of content, getting millions of views, and earning good money as well. Pro tip, if you want viral video ideas, look at a data channel's most popular uploads. For example, if one video got 3.5 million views, you could replace ghosts with software from different countries, or memes from different countries. ChatGPT can help generate ideas too. This is a great daily upload niche, and consistent posting can really pay off. Number 10. History narration. This channel is just 3 months old and has already gained 1 million views. Assuming an $8 RPM because the videos are long and in the history niche, it could have earned around $8,000 from ad revenue. The videos include voiceovers, captions, and images. You can research historical topics from websites and then use ChatGPT to organize the script, but don't copy-paste. Make sure your content is original and well-researched. One reason this channel performs well is its thumbnails. They're highly clickable. You can take inspiration, but always think carefully before designing your thumbnails. Here's an example twist. Instead of general history, you could focus on a narrow topic like Vikings or sailors. This makes it easier to build an audience and stand out. Number 11. Ranking tier list content. This channel has only uploaded 5 videos, but has already gained 2.3 million views and around 8K subscribers. Assuming a $3 RPM, the ad revenue could be over $6,000. The key here is thumbnails and storytelling. If you look at their thumbnails, you'll see why viewers click. They provoke curiosity. The editing is not too hard, but creating a good script and proper research takes time. This format is inspired by another channel that has been uploading tier list videos for 2 years. Just 9 videos got 190K subscribers and 28 million views. So imagine the potential if you follow a similar style. Here's an idea. The video talks about a celebrity house tier list. You could make a celebrity watch tier list or an athlete's watch tier list. For example, Ronaldo's watch is shown as 100K, while another athlete's watch could be $3 million. These thumbnails spark curiosity and make people click. Always ensure that your video delivers what the thumbnail promises. This keeps your audience trusting your content. Number 12. Guess quiz games. This channel uploads fun quiz videos and has gained over 6 million views. Assuming a $4 RPM, the ad revenue might be around $24,000. The videos are easy to make. You only need PNGs, sound effects, and a little voiceover. Many channels in this niche consistently perform well. Here's an example from the original channel. They upload quiz videos about a particular religion, and it's performing really well. You can also create quizzes for different topics or niches using the same format. For thumbnails, tools like Canva work great. Remember, consistency is key. Upload daily or regularly, even if the first few videos don't get many views. Once a topic works, you can double down on that theme. Number 13, nostalgic retro culture. This channel started just 1 month ago and already has 10K subscribers and over 1.6 million views. Assuming an $8 RPM because the videos are long and the audience is mainly from the UK, the ad revenue could be around $12,000 in 1 month. The content focuses on old British culture, foods, snacks, sweets, and items from the 60s, 90s that have vanished or changed. People love this kind of nostalgic content. Here's a tip. Instead of copying the channel, steal the format and apply it to other countries. For example, USA, Canada, Australia, France, Nordic countries, Sweden, Norway, Denmark. For example, if you select Germany, you could make videos about 70s, 90s German pop culture, retro cars, festivals, commercials, and old technology. Editing is simple. Voiceover plus old photos with zoom in out animations. You can even use old film overlays to give your videos a vintage feel. Number 14, psychology or philosophy. This channel started a month ago and already has 24K subscribers and around 1 million views. Assuming a $10 RPM because the videos are long and educational, that could be around $10,000 in their first month. The videos mainly use images, voiceover, and captions. You can generate images with ChatGPT or AI tools and create scripts about famous philosophers or psychologists. Always avoid copying content. Add your own perspective and human touch. Here's an idea for your channel. You could make videos about philosophers or psychologists who discuss religion, but make sure the content does not promote hate or target any specific religion, so your channel stays safe on YouTube. You can also focus on other safe topics like relationships, life advice, or general philosophy, which are educational and engaging. Number 15, sport analysis. This channel focuses on wrestling-related videos, and in just 2 months, it has gained over 500K views. Assuming a $4 RPM, the ad revenue could be over $2,000. The style of the videos, including titles and editing, is similar to other trending channels. The unique part is the thumbnails, which attract viewers. You can create similar thumbnails using ChatGPT to generate characters and Canva to edit them. While this channel focuses on wrestling, you can apply the same format to other sports like basketball, football, or any popular sport that people enjoy watching on YouTube. One important thing, choose a sport you already know a little about. If you don't, you can hire someone or get help from someone who understands that sport. This makes script writing easier and ensures your content is accurate and engaging. Even people who know very little about a sport have successfully run sport channels by hiring others to help with research or scripts. So, the key is consistency and quality storytelling. Number 16, relationship advice. This channel consistently follows the same format for every video using a black and white background with yellow text. So far, it has gained around 3 million views. Assuming a $4 RPM, the ad revenue could be approximately $12,000. In addition to ads, the channel also shares an ebook link, which means it's generating extra revenue from that too. The videos are 15 to 20 minutes long, and the channel uploads 4 to 5 videos daily. How is this possible? The content is simple. Stock videos with vintage film overlays and English captions. Editing doesn't take much time, and you can generate scripts easily using ChatGPT. For branding, this channel sticks to black backgrounds and yellow text, but you can experiment with different text colors, fonts, or use realistic AI-generated images for thumbnails instead of anime-style images. The key is consistent branding and posting regularly. Number 17, tech stories and history. This channel started just 2 months ago and has already gained around 1 million views. Assuming a $5 RPM and an average video length of 14 minutes, the ad revenue could be roughly $5,000. The thumbnails, titles, and editing style are unique and eye-catching. If you enjoy tech topics, this channel can serve as inspiration. You can create videos about the most controversial app store in history, turn it into the most controversial social media app in history, app everyone used until it became paid, change it to app everyone used until it got shut down. This format can also work for other niches like movies, TV history, celebrity stories, music history, or video games. Always use your own ideas, not just AI-generated scripts, for originality. Number 18, educational sleep niche. You know the one channel I mentioned at the start that makes fall asleep videos using Reddit stories? This niche works on the same concept, but now you can make it educational. For example, this channel started 3 months ago, gained 100K subscribers, and reached 4.5 million total views. Assuming a $20 RPM due to the long videos, the ad revenue could be around $90,000 in just 3 months. The videos are often 2+ hours long and simple to make. They use AI-generated images with voiceover. You can create voiceover voiceovers using 11 labs, or record yourself if your English is strong. A similar channel is doing this with geography, and it's performing very well. You can also adapt the niche to other educational topics like physics, biology, or other science subjects. Longer videos and evergreen content make this niche highly profitable. Number 19, AI survival videos. This is a fully AI-generated content niche. In 2 months, a channel gained over 1 million views since the videos have no voiceover and are suitable for viewers worldwide. Assuming a $2 RPM, the ad revenue could be about $2,000 if you want to create similar videos. Use ChatGPT to generate survival stories. Ask it to create prompts for each scene. Use VO3 to generate short 8-second clips for each scene. Merge the clips in sequence using any editing software to create a full video. The only real barrier for this niche is credit limits in VO3. You'll need to upgrade your plan if you want to generate multiple videos. If you don't have a budget, you can research other AI tools that might provide free or unlimited video generation, if any exist. The key here is, even though it's fully AI generated, creativity, planning, and sequencing are crucial. With the right approach, this niche can quickly gain views without requiring traditional filming or voiceovers. Number 20, shocking moments. This channel uploads bull riding and other extreme moments and has gained over 5 million views in 5 months. Assuming a $4 RPM, the ad revenue could be around $20,000. You could create similar compilations for F1 moments, Karen moments, tornado moments, CCTV moments, funny moments, scary moments, football moments, or literally anything else. The reason I mention this niche last is because there is some risk involved. The content is usually made by compiling clips from different sources. While compilation channels with voiceover and good editing do very well, using other people's clips can lead to copyright issues if not done carefully. To stay safe on YouTube, add your own commentary or educational explanation. Always mention the source or owner of the clip. Even with these precautions, there's a slight risk, so do thorough research before starting this niche. So these are the 20 YouTube channel niches you can start with. Pick any of these niches and take action now, because the longer you wait, the more crowded they might become. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and hit the subscribe button. It's completely free and it will motivate me to create more videos like this for you.